Hey, it's Jeff at 650 Cycle. Today what we're doing on the XS Cafe project, we're going to get this seat mounted. I got a rear hoop and I got a seat. I will say that I ordered these from an online resource and I'm not crazy about either one, but we're going to make them work. My welder is here, Alex. He's going to go ahead and do the welding on this because he can do a much better job than I can. He's taking classes for it. He's almost done with his classes, so a little bit of practice for him today. That'll be good. By the end of this video, I'm pretty confident that we'll have this mounted on there. So let's hit it. I broke it. But I brought the 4-pack. I think on this. Making fish.
What kind?
I think it's crappie. I think one Grant caught it. Okay.
See, a guy at my work had his Ninja 250 out either last weekend or 2 weekends ago when it was 50.
Yeah.
I was like, you're crazy. Because it freezed and rained right when we were inside of work at night. He said, "Is just sitting in my basement waiting for, I don't know, a day like today."
Yeah, that's the biggest thing this time of year is making sure that there's no chance of the roadway freezing. And with the temperatures we've had in the mornings, I'm like, there's no way I'm riding right now.
I don't like riding when it's 50 either.
I don't mind. I mean, my bike's really protected.
I don't know if he just loves to ride or if his car sucks.
This is awful. Such a hack job. Really, really is a hack job.
You don't think you could bend that horseshoe out farther and have it line up?
No.
Well, not like that. I'd be impressed. Like, yeah, nobody can bend stuff like my dad.
I think a grinder might work better for that. What do you think?
Probably.
Okay.
I would have done the whole thing with the grinder.
Well, I did the other one with the grinder, and you were whining about the way it wasn't even and all slagged up.
What? Which one? The battery box or the?
No, the end that was cut.
Oh. Well, you can get it not like that.
This.
Yeah.
You're all, what'd you cut this with? Hexa?
That looks like a hot dog that you cooked too long.
You know what I could do? I could maybe use the jigsaw on that part right there.
Yeah.
Might work a little. Just can't get it. Thanks, Harbor Freight. I need a new grinder.
Get a Metabo. They're $100 though.
Yeah, I don't use it enough to have something to justify spending $100 on it.
It's hot. The rule is don't take anything from somebody's gloved hand. That's the rule.
I don't have a glove
You
hand.
don't have gloves on. Everything's hot and everything's sharp.
Okay. See how that fits in there? I think once we get this one off, we may have to grind a little bit, but it's fitting pretty good.
You gonna butt it up against this?
I'm gonna
The
try.
end of it?
it needs to go right about
Because
there.
I can fill it if it can bought enough.
In there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, get that seat. Maybe
Maybe
we won't. Maybe we'll hook around there just like that. Wow, no, that's got to come up. See the gap there? It's not straight. It drops, it droops. So, and I think the issue
This is at that piece.
is at the top. We have to grind these tops off so that it'll come up and be level this way. See what I'm saying? Okay. Alright, I'll put that wheel back on the grinder. That looks a little more level. See, this has got an arch to it. It was supposed to be flat. I
So
may.
you're just going to tighten it down?
Well, I'm going to take it down as far as I can without stretching it too much. I'll have a little bit of a gap there. Get down there and look and see if this is level straight with that. I think it is. It is on this side. Okay, over there. Oh, I see. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that side's alright.
Yeah, I gotta knock a little bit of this side down. This side's good.
You can take too much off if you have to, and I can just tack it.
That's sitting better on there. Come look. Yeah, that's a lot better. See if we got a distance. I think that's pretty good. We take it right up in there. Are they right?
Yeah, I'll go through
I think that's good. See, it isn't what I want, but that's what I got. So we're gonna butt it right up on here, and then go down there.
You have safety glasses?
We don't need no stinking safety glasses.
Wow, they should really be out.
Not pretty, but he's gonna make it pretty.
You got, snaps?
It's the best I got. Crappy.
Where's those red ones? The needle nose.
Oh no.
These don't even open.
God, you're picky.
Keep something.
I don't think we're ever gonna get everybody.
I had some. I had the red ones or something. And I was using.
Well, you didn't put them back then, because I don't know where they were.
Give me them blue scissors. Yeah, fine. Those will cut everything.
Been around forever. I don't know where the red needle nose are.
Yeah, I need some.
I don't have those red ones. I don't know where they are.
Oh, okay. I did it with these. I need to do it a couple of times. Well, give me those because I'm gonna need them again.
Let me see if I can bend the tips off a little. then the will grab a little better.
Take this off the grind first.
Nah! Burn your retinas.
Don't look over here.
You see it?
Oh, that don't bad. Glide over there.
Still straight. That's good.
Check it out. Side's fine. That side needs some work. I'll just smooth it down and put some more beads on it. Really can't get underneath as much as I'd like to.
Just because it's sitting.
Through the wheel.
Yeah. That's fine. There's enough on top. There's no weight on it.
Yeah.
We're going to eventually put a nut on there to hold the seat.
Inside.
So this part will have weight, but not back here.
Okay.
So you're not putting any, you're not cantilevering anything out.
I can smooth all that out. There's more beads on it.
All right, well, Alex got done welding, and we got the rear hoop on, and don't look too close. It's going to function. I'll probably fill some of this in a little bit. There's a little there. Considering we were working with a preformed hoop, and this particular frame doesn't come around straight. It comes around at an angle. So it come out okay. Once it's painted, the seat's going to be on there. You won't see it. So it is what it is. Live and learn. My next one will be better. That's what this whole bike is about, because it's my first one. This one is what I'm learning on. The next one will be better. So we're going to go with that. I still got to put some tabs for the seat to hang on to. I'm going to try to get it so it holds it down like that, where it's supposed to. I don't know why this particular seat squishes up like that. It's supposed to be flat. Well, I do know why. It's a cheap seat. But once it's all on there, it'll look all right. But this bike is coming together. We're getting close. Once the harness is on there, I can start the bike. And a lot of little stuff at this point still, along with the big thing, the big elephant in the room is the tank needs painted. But I can do a lot of the little stuff and get it up and running and actually tuned before I even paint the tank. So I did mention before that I do different content for Instagram and Facebook, so follow me on both. And if you want, of course, and like this video, it helps the video out. So until next time, try to do something that you have never done before. If you're riding somewhere, ride safe.